Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some more question on discount. This is the first question. A trader mark an article for rupees 20. He allow a discount of 10% for cash down and still gain 20%. Then find the cost price of article. This is the question. In this question, discount is also given, still he gain on the article. So how we will calculate it? Let us see. Here MP of article equal to given rupees 20 given. Now discount percent is given 10%. Therefore SP of article, by applying the formula as we know that 100 minus discount percent by 100 into MP, that means 100 minus 10 by 100 into 20, that is 90 by 100 into 20, that means SP of the article is rupees 18. Now we know the SP of the article and still gain percent is given what? 20%. Then gain percent is given 20%. SP be calculate, that is rupees 18. So CP of article equal to CP of article equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. This is the formula for CP. When gain percent it is given, then 100 by 100 plus 20 into 18, that means 100 by 120 into 18. After calculation we find 180 by 12, that is rupees 15. So cost price of the article, therefore cost price of article equal to rupees 18, sorry, rupees 15. Cost price of article equal to rupees 15. Understood? So this type we solve the question when it is given the discount and gain percent. Okay. See another question. Find single discount equivalent to the following discount series: 30%, 20% and 10%. We have to find a single discount for the discount series. So let us see how we can solve it. Let the MP equal to rupees 100. Okay, so first discount it is given what? 30%. So SP after first discount, SP after first discount. That means 100 minus 30 by 100 into 100. That means rupees 70. So MP for the second discount. For the SP come after the first discount, that become the MP for the second discount. MP is rupees here 70. Now the discount is what? 20%. So here we will write 20%. So after that we will write here SP after second discount. That means 100 minus 20 by 100 into 70. As I told you, what the SP come after the first discount, that becomes the MP for the second discount. Now it becomes 80 by 100 into 70, that is rupees 56. Now MP for the third discount, what it is there? Rupees 56. Now discount is, third discount is what? 10%. So SP after third discount, SP after third discount equal to 100 minus 10 by 100 into 56. That means 90 by 100 into 56. That is rupees 50.4. So this is the SP after the third discount. So we have to find the single discount. So single discount equivalent to this, that means we just subtract it. For single discount percent equal to 100 minus 50.4%, that is 49.6%. This is the single discount. Understood? So this time we solve the question when it is given the successive discount. Understood? Thanks for watching. Always remember that when it is given the successive discount, that means they are always having in series, and after first discount SP becomes MP. Understood? Thanks for watching.